This 360 camera can capture your action and do some slick editing. This piece also comes with dual fisheye lenses and some unique time and perspective manipulation special effects. The One X can produce a great-looking regular widescreen video easily. Kudos in particular to the silky smooth image stabilization, which all goes to make it a tempting proposition for semi-pro videographers looking for some unique special effects when using drone. This Fusion can capture 360-degree video in 5.2K resolution video at 30 frames per second. By using the overcapture mode films on this camera, you can take 360-degree video, but you will only create standard 16:9 video. But do not worry, this camera allows post-framing. This camera also comes with GPS, a compass, accelerometer, gyroscope, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, 3D audio, compatible with existing GoPro mounts, and is waterproof up to a depth of 5 meters. You can produce barely 25 minutes of rather soft video on one charge of this 360 camera. It is also able to produce 4K video, 4K live streaming, and even record 360-degree spatial audio from its 4 microphones for 18 minutes. This Android-based and Qualcomm Snapdragon 625 powered camera has both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so you can operate this device remotely via an app. This J2 Twin has a less resolution, but it also comes with a standard 3-portrait on its undercarriage. This camera can produce basic video, and the app will only share videos of 30 seconds or less. Sadly, this camera has a short battery life. However, this camera is also easy to use, and it is one of the most affordable 360 cameras in the market. This pocket-sized dual-lens camera comes with barely half of the original gear, 2016 capture, 15 megapixel still images. This camera also has a shorter battery life, so you need to carry around a USB-C compatible portable charger everywhere. This cute and splash-proof 360 camera is still easy to use. It also comes with a lot of free editing software. This camera can produce 5.7K resolution video. It also has consistent color and endless manual tweaks are all plus points. This waterproof camera can capture video even when on the 24 frames per second mode, well of course on a slightly lower maximum resolution.